Today I want to start with a puzzle, and that puzzle is with Korea, where the labour market looks like it's tightest, and yet wage growth is slowing. Why would that be the case? And I think the answer is really tells us a lot about aging, participation rates and changes in the labour market that are happening, and therefore has relevance for the other economies in Asia as well. So it's an important part of understanding how aging affects the economies, and we can see that playing out real time in Korea. So again, let's start with the puzzle. So when you look at the region as a whole, the economy where the labour market looks like it's recovered most quickly since the pandemic is Korea. So employment has risen, is now well above the previous high. Unemployment has dropped below 3% for the first time in a generation or so. So the labour market looks like it's very tight. Now, in the rest of the region, that's also true, where we get data, at least. I'm not talking about China today because China's labour market data aren't particularly useful, but at least in terms of the other big economies, Japan and Taiwan, the labour markets also look like they're quite tight. Unemployment rates are low, but there hasn't been that same increase in employment as there's been in Korea.